Assalamualaikum. My name is Huda Khan and I am participating in BFE Bright Future Education Food Competition and I am making chicken Angaara. Come with me. Okay, so starting with Bismillah, I have put all the chicken inside the bowl and now I'll marinate it. So first I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Okay, so now I'll mix 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Half tablespoon of turmeric, as you can see, haldi powder. 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder. I'm going to use dhania powder, 2 tablespoons. Don't say teaspoon. Going to mix garam masala, half tablespoon. We'll put salt, swad anusar. Then I'm going to put some secret ingredients, which is Szechuan sauce, and this is the game changer in the food, guys. I'm going to put 1 and 2 big spoons of Szechuan sauce. Then I'm going to put some grind onions. Okay, now I'm just going to wait. You have to put some tandoori color just to change the color of the chicken. You can put as per your concern and it is totally optional. If you want to put or just ignore it. But it just gives a very beautiful color to the food, the chicken Angaara. And now I'm just going to mix all of this in. So coming back, 15 minutes is already over and now I'm going to cook it on high flame for 20 to 15 minutes till the chicken get cooked nicely. So keep fire to complete the chicken Angaara.